So we're out getting our Dunkin' order. We're trying the new butter pecan crunch frozen coffee. It's so good. I already tried it. He's gonna try it. My brother. He's gonna try it, and then we got some donuts, and we got some. They're called coffee rolls, but they're pretty much cinnamon rolls, which are really, really good. That's in my room. So, and I look a little messy today. I have to do my hair. I have to wash my hair. And then I'm gonna do highlights because like all my highlights grew out. I think I did it for my birthday in August, which was a really long time ago. So but anyway, so today I decided to reorganize my room because it's such a mess. I had a lot of clothes in my closet that were not hung up. It was kind of like thrown over a basket. So I have a huge pile of clothes on my bed right now that I have to sort through, so that way when I hang it I can do it by like jacket, dress, like shirt, you know, pants and all that, just so it's organized. So I have to go through this huge mound and pile of clothes on my bed. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now, and then I'm gonna show you my closet. So this is how my closet is looking. It looks a mess. There's like some stuff I bought recently. It's just like some things I have in there. But all this was like filled with like my winter things. So I had like sweaters, sweatshirts and all that. So I'm bringing out like my summer dresses and all that. So they're like in the front, and I know what I can wear and I know what I have. So I got these tank tops. I'm not sure if they're going to fit or look cute or whatever, but I'm gonna try. And then I have this dress, which I think is going to fit me, and I'm not sure about this one. I bought this one a long time ago, but it looks really breezy and comfortable. So yeah. And then down here is where my pants are. It looks a little bit of a hot mess. I think I'm gonna put like my longer stuff here, so that way it kind of like falls in this space instead of like hanging over the pants like that. I don't like that. It doesn't look great. So that's what I'm working on today. I don't think I'm gonna work on that. I just want to get that clothes hung, and then I'll work on like organizing things a different day. Okay, so this is my bed. This is what it looks like. So it's crazy. So everything's a mess, which is not great. So my makeup desk needs to get cleaned off. And I don't know if I'm gonna work on that today or maybe a different day, but I mean, it'll be easy and pretty quick to clean off. I just have to get all of those things put away and just my makeup and all that, and I think that'll be easy. So these are made out of corn flour, and they're filled with beans and cheese, and then they're topped with a cabbage slaw and a red sauce. It's really good. Today I'm eating poo-poo sauce. I didn't know I clicked play already. So this is the club. I'm not into the fact that it got apples in it, but it looks good. It smells good too.
You can always take them out. You could try it.
What if I don't like it though?
So you take the apples out. I think ripped it. You gotta put your finger where I ripped it. I ripped it in the middle. I mean, little in the paper.
But it's the bagel stuff.
There you go.
Okay. Well, I want to eat it. All right, I'm gonna try it, but I'm probably not gonna like it. Okay, so yeah.
Oh, we don't see it.
It's right there.
Wow.
I think it has a good flavor. So, oh, it got like a sweet taste.
The apple.
It's not the apple, it's like a glaze they put. It is good. I didn't get a bite of the apple with it. So, the next thing is the, it was Montreal something pizza. It's a pizza bagel.
What you got, Miguel? Miguel got the Balboa. It looks really delicious.
Let me see it. I gotta fill it on my camera.
Just give her the one with the pizza.
It's the Balboa. Pretty sure it's named after Rocky. It looks good. It got pastrami, a bunch of other meats. It got sriracha sauce, I think, tomato, lettuce, and some meats in it.
I got that capicola. That capicola, right? The capicola is a salami.
I got cheese? I don't know.
Salami. It's that meat that has like peppers in it, like the thick in the slice.
This is really good.
I really like the cheese.
That looks nice. I think I like it. There's these. Oh, they're 19. We just stopped and got some Five Guys. We got some fries. Got a couple burgers. So yeah, whenever we go home, do their burgers. So I got a cheeseburger, some fries, and a coconut refresher from Dunkin'. The caramel ribbon crunch, the cream version, not the coffee. That's cute. They all look the same. Okay, so yesterday I got one of my big items. So I really wanted to get the Duna so that way it was easier to like load in and out of the car and all that, and it's just like it's a stroller and a car seat in one. So I opted for the Duna and I'm so excited. It came yesterday and I think this is the one that I wanted. It says Midnight Special Edition, so I think this is the all black one because they have a black one but then it has the gray bars, but I wanted it to be the all black one because I thought that looked a little nicer. So yeah, so I'm excited. I'm thinking that we should open the box and take it out to see, just to make sure like it's okay and just to check it out. This is so exciting. So excuse the mess, that's like some stuff that we got at the store for organizing and cleaning and stuff. So here it is. I have to take it out. Here's the box. So it says it comes with the car seat and stroller, the latch base, a head support, infant insert, and the vehicle seat protector. And Ooh, it comes with the purse.
Is it?
Yeah. And a black leather handlebar cover. That's exciting. Okay, so we're definitely gonna take this out the box today. We gotta look at it. This is so fun. It's like, it feels like a birthday slash Christmas, you know? Getting to open a gift, a box. So I'm gonna open this and to see what it's like. Okay, I also look a mess, so let's ignore that. But I'm gonna put the camera over here so that way I can do a little unboxing. Let's disregard the fact that I'm in pajamas. Okay. So this is the one that I wanted. I'm so excited. This is what it looks like inside of the box. Everything's connected. It's not heavy. I've seen some people say it was really heavy, and it's not. And then this is the base, the car seat base. Oh, Rick's about to come in. Well, I'm trying to record. Alright. So this is the black one. So there's no gray. Let's see. Oh my God, it feels so nice. It's so pretty. I don't want to like open it all the way because I don't want it to get dusty. This is the bag. It's a diaper bag. It attaches to the back of the stroller. It just hooks on right into the back like that, and then you can put like all the essentials in there. Okay, so it comes with the seat protector. What else? Okay, so the headrest and everything's already connected for the newborn stage. And then it comes with like an owner's manual or user guide. Okay, so this is to register the car seat in your name. And then it shows like what other accessories they have. And then they're showing that they have something else, it's the trike, which would be really cool when he's older. But it's so cool because I thought like the tires you would have to attach, but you don't, it's all assembled already. don't know the name, chocolate, Kentucky butter, and Oreo swirl. It looks good. The frosting looks really good. Okay, so this is the Buckeye brownie. They look good.
The top, the chocolate chips is like the semi-sweet chocolate chunk, and then that's the Kentucky butter cake, and then the last one's the vanilla crumb cake.
There's a hair in here. I'm hoping maybe it's from my shirt, because it might look like a little bit of like a dog hair. So I'm so excited. Got some cute stuff. So, you know, he's gonna be born in October, so I got him some pumpkin stuff. I love the pumpkin stuff, just like nothing that looks like Halloween. This is just like fall. And then the little hat, so cute. And then I got this little Mickey Mouse pajama, so cute. And then they had this Bambi one, and they had a Dumbo, like, oh, so cute. And then they had this Mickey Mouse one. Oh my god, so obsessed with it. So cute. And then I found like these 2-piece sets. So cute. And then I got like these pants to go with it. And then I got this, and it has like a jacket, a shirt, and some little pants. So cute. And then I got this these onesies, or like sleeper sacks or whatever they're called. So obsessed with this. Love this because it's the fall, and I love all the Carter stuff. All the Carter stuff is so nice. I want to go to the Carter store because they have I was looking online, and they have all these like Christmas pajamas, and oh my god, I'm obsessed. There's like, they have a green one that has like Christmas trees all over it, and I want to give him like a couple Christmas pajamas because it's gonna be so cute. Like if he could have one like every day. My mom said that's extra, but whatever. And then I got this pajama, or that shirt, and this shirt, so cute. And then with these matching pants, it can mix and match. That's the word. And then these little booties, so cute. So thank you. I'm so excited with everything that I got. It's like really foggy this morning.